How to fix Badoo's in-app purchases stuck on pending. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if the in-app purchases is stuck on pending. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If any type of in-app purchases that you're trying to make on Badoo is actually stuck on pending, then there could be a couple of reasons for this. First of all, ensure that you have got a stable internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Second is you can simply try to restart your phone, and once you restart your phone, that could also be the case. Now, if you're trying to subscribe, check first of all if the changes has been applied. So if you're subscribing from Google Play, go to your Play Store and tap the profile icon from the top right and go to payment and subscriptions and go to subscriptions and check if the Badoo app is showing over here on the subscriptions list. Same goes for if you're subscribing from your app store as well. Check if your subscription is showing up over there. You can try to re-add your payment methods. So go to your Badoo app and whatever else you're trying to do, you can just try to go ahead and then re-add it, and once done, you can try to tap the continue and make sure that your payment method is also working just fine. And hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.